Okay, so for exam 2, part 2, for question 1, part A, I wanted to know how many students at UK have an iPad. So I took a survey of 200 students on campus, and my results concluded that 65% of the students at UK have an iPad. So the population would be the students at UK. The sample would be 200 students surveyed. The parameter would be the percentage of students that have an iPad, and the statistic would be 65% of the students have an iPad. Part B says the parameter is the information that we want to learn about the population, but does not have a numeric value, whereas the statistic is a numeric value of interest calculated from the sample to estimate the parameter. Part C says the confidence interval is the statistic plus or minus the margin of error, and the confidence interval demonstrates how many intervals contain the parameter. For question 2, part A, I found the sample proportion, which was 0.54 or 54%. So I did 0.54 plus or minus 0.67 divided by 2 times the square root of 1 over 984, which gave me a confidence interval of 55% to 53%. And for part B, the margin of error given in the article will not produce the same confidence interval because there were 2 options for statistics, so we had to use the sample proportion instead to look at the confidence interval for one of them. And for part C, 50% confidence means that 50% of a long list of confidence intervals will contain the true parameter.